Imagine the universe as a vast, endless forest, filled with life. But it's no ordinary forest. It's a dark and silent one. Every creature hides, afraid to reveal itself. The question is, why? Could the reason we've never heard from alien civilizations be that they're hiding because something out there is hunting them? Welcome to the dark forest hypothesis. And it might just be the most terrifying explanation for why we're alone in the cosmos. For decades, scientists have been puzzled by the Fermi Paradox. Our universe is unimaginably vast, with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets. By all logic, there should be countless intelligent civilizations out there. Yet, silence. No signals, no visitors, nothing. Here's one possible answer, and it's chilling. The dark forest hypothesis, popularized by science fiction author Liu Cixin, paints a bleak picture. It suggests that the universe is like a dark forest, filled with hunters. Each civilization is a hunter, carefully hiding in the shadows, because revealing their presence could be deadly. Imagine you're walking through a dark forest at night. You know other hunters are out there, but you don't know if they're friendly or dangerous. You can't trust them, so you stay hidden, watching, waiting, because the moment you make a sound, you might be found. And in a dark forest, it's better to shoot first than be shot. The same principle might apply to alien civilizations. Every advanced species has one priority: survival. Even if a new civilization seems peaceful, there's no way to guarantee that they'll stay that way. And in a universe without second chances, the safest option is to stay silent or eliminate any potential threat before it becomes one. That's why, according to the dark forest hypothesis, we don't hear from anyone. The civilizations that make noise don't last long. This idea of hiding to survive isn't new. Ancient myths often depicted powerful beings that destroyed potential rivals before they could grow strong. The Greek god Kronos devoured his own children, fearing they would one day overthrow him. In a way, the dark forest hypothesis is the cosmic version of that tale. So, what does this mean for us? Should we continue sending signals into space, advertising our presence, or are we shouting into the dark forest, risking everything by revealing ourselves? Is it too late to stay silent? Maybe the universe is teeming with life, but it's holding its breath, hidden in the shadows, waiting, watching. The real question is, will we ever meet them, or will we remain hidden forever? This is just the beginning of our journey into the unknown. I'm planning a whole series on alien theories, cosmic mysteries, and the science behind it all. Like this video, drop a comment if you want more, and let me know what you'd like to explore next.